Do you want to learn Chinese but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the steps to start your Chinese learning journey. Hey, my name is Ryan and you're watching How to Chinese. Step 1. Learn Pinyin. Pinyin helps you pronounce Chinese correctly. If you're a beginner, spend a few weeks' time to get familiar with Pinyin and making sure you pronounce them correctly. This step is extremely important because once you develop incorrect pronunciation habit, they can be very hard to correct later.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? I cannot believe this.
Here's the tip. Don't start with Chinese characters. Why? There are way too many characters and many of them are not used in everyday life. That's why many beginners quit, because they start with characters too early. Step 2. Learn useful words and sentences, because useful words and sentences help you speak Chinese faster and stay motivated. For example,
你爸爸喜欢吃什么？我爸爸喜欢吃米饭。
keep in mind, you don't need 1,000 words, you need the right words. Step 3. Learn grammar through sentences or conversation. Great news, Chinese grammar is much simpler than you might expect. There are no noun changes like masculine or feminine. And there's no verb conjugation either.
Oh my god! Wow!
So here's the tip. Don't worry about complex grammar at the beginning. Just focus on understanding how sentences are structured. You can also look up idols you like and watch their interviews or TV shows. The way people speak on TV is usually very close to how we talk in daily life. This way you learn grammar naturally through real usage. Step 4. Start learning Chinese characters but don't memorize them. Once you're able to listen to and speak some Chinese, you can slowly begin learning Chinese characters. When learning characters, keep these 3 points in mind. So first, Chinese characters are a combination of visual form and logic. Second, focus on high-frequency characters, not rare ones. And third, one character has one meaning. Step 5. Listen and practice. Were you born knowing how to say mom and dad? Of course not, right? Your parents probably repeated these words many of times in front of you until you learn how to say mom and dad. When you learn new words or grammars, you need to keep repeating and using what you learn. So practice does not mean doing it once or twice. So set a goal and practice for 10 to 20 minutes every day. And remember, consistency is the key to success. Start with Pinyin. Speak as much as you can. Build understanding gradually. And then learn characters. If you stick with it, Chinese will get easier over time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn Chinese step by step, please subscribe. I teach easy Chinese lessons you won't find in textbooks. 下课。